Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is vlogger Borna and today's video is about a review video. I have ordered so many things from Nykaa. So I have received a big box like this and I'm really happy about the delivery fact. I mean, they have delivered this product within like 3-4 days, I believe. Yes, so I'm really happy about their delivery and the products. They have given a nice offer. I've got 20% off, I believe, and I will show you what all I have ordered from Nykaa. Here we go. So I have ordered a lot of nail polishes from Nykaa. So the first one I have ordered from YLG like this. This is a matte red color. Let me share one good news that I'll be getting married like next February 4th. So on that purpose I can wear this red color matte nail polish. So this I found really good. If you are wearing this for more than like 5 days, it will be little glossy. The matte the texture will go off. I have already tried this at home and I feel like you can wear this for 5 days, not more than 5 days. So another matte nail polish which I have ordered from Color Bar. So this is the product. I'll show you here. So this is again a nude color from Color Bar. I like nude color a lot. I mean, that gives a very natural look to my hand. Sometimes I don't feel like colors, to see colors on my hand, so that time I can wear this kind of nude colors. So along with this I have ordered another nude color from Maybelline. Here it is. This is the Color Show nude color. Two nude color nail polishes I have ordered from Nykaa, and I'm really happy with the color. I'm not sure like why I love nude color like this. I mean, these two colors are my favorite. So going forward, I have ordered few nail polishes from YLG. So these are the two colors. So when after manicure I can apply this like French manicure. So this is the color. It's white completely. And another color I have purchased, this is like little the little glossy and which is orange in color like this. I hope this is not blur. Yes, so that's the nail polishes I have ordered. And one more Nykaa product which I have purchased. This is the matte nail polish which is maroon in color. Again, I can use this for during my marriage. This is maroon in color, so I will definitely wear this along with mehendi. So both the color will look similar. And this is the pink in Revlon I got. So again, I love this pink. This is a different color. This is the Revlon, some Revlon nail polishes which I have applied here in my nails. But this pink is like a little peachy pink. So it's peach pink. So this pink and this pink is different. So this all nail polishes I have purchased from Nykaa. Also, I have got face sheer from Lakme. So I really like face sheer during like while doing makeup. I usually don't do makeup a lot. So this is the one. Yes, there's a small mirror in it. And this is the Lakme product. I hope this is not blur. And my dog is barking from the side. Oh Shiro, don't do such things. So yes, we have to open it like this, and I will show you how it will be, how the shimmer works. You can see the shiny glossy texture in my hand. I hope it is visible. So you can compare this part and this part. This is the face shade from Lakme I have ordered from Nykaa, and I must say I like this glossy feature to highlight my cheekbones and all. So to highlight such things you can use this product. For bridal makeup you can use such product like this. Along with that, I have ordered a few more makeup items from Nykaa. This is again Lakme Absolute Illuminating Eyeshadow Palette. So yes, so see the packaging. So let me open it. So this is the Absolute Illuminating Eyeshadow Palette. So this is the Lakme Absolute Illuminating Palette. I've chosen the bridal collection one, so which has all the bridal thing. You can see all the bridal, red, pink, and wine color, and also orange is there. So there's a small mirror and the packaging is really good. There is along with this they have given a sponge protection box inside of it so that it will not break. So I'm sorry for my bad voice because I have got cold. So I really love the packaging, and this cost me $9.95 from Nykaa. I have purchased it for some 20% off. I believe I've got this on this. I'm sorry, I've hold on this. So the other thing which I have got from Nykaa is Lakme Absolute Blush Duos. So let me show you, and let me tell you the price. It is $7.75, and this is another makeup item which I have purchased. So there's a small brush inside of it along with this blush. So I will open this for you. So there's a dual color. If you have noticed, there's this two colors in a single box. So you can see the two colors. There's a difference. I hope it is visible. So I will definitely review about this later, that how the product is, how long it will gonna stay, and how I felt after applying it, because as you can see these all are new products. I haven't used it yet. So this is the product. Another lip color I have ordered from Revlon is this one. This is a matte lip color Ultra HD, and this cost me around there is no offer in this, let me tell you, and this is around 1200 I believe. Yes, it's $11.95 it cost me, and this is the color. It's Ultra HD matte lip color, and this is a long stay, and this is my second buy. I have already used it an entire lipstick, and I am really in love with this. This give me this specific color suits me a lot. I love it, like really I'm in love with this product. Maybe I can buy a third purchase also, and I can use it for lifelong. So I love this so much. So I will use this during my marriage, like during other functions and all. So I will give 10 out of 10 about this product. This is really good, but there is no offer in that. This is little expensive, 1200, but it's worthy, I believe. So I have purchased few more products from Nykaa other than this makeup, nail polish and lipsticks. Let me show you. So I have the full package. I haven't opened it yet. So this is a Vega brush set. As you can see, Vega brush set. One of my friend recommended this, and as per my friend, this is really a nice product. If especially for functions and all, you can use this while you are applying a heavy makeup like foundations and primers, concealers, and that time you can use this brushes. So this brush will give a very complete look, I must say. So if you use this, you will get a professional kind of finishing on your makeup. So This has, you know, 6 kind of brushes are there inside of it. And Vega is really a amazing company. I have used their comb, I have used their roll, brushes, and they are really in a you can use it for a longer time, like long lasting, good quality. And I am in love with Vega. So I this is like, other than brushes, I have comb, rollers, hair rollers, and then hair brushes. So yeah, I'm pretty much a Vega user. So other than this, sorry, it's a cotton pad, and this cost me around 100 rupees. This has something around 90 pads inside of it. You can remove your makeup with the help of this cotton pads. When you are applying a heavy makeup, then during that time you can use this kind of pads along with the makeup remover. That will help you to remove the makeup easily, other than, if you're using raw cotton, I mean normal cotton, there's a possibilities you can get it inside of your eyes or inside of your mouth or during removing your kajal and your lipsticks and all. So to avoid such things, I prefer to use this kind of cotton pads. I mean, these are really helpful. So other than this, I have ordered, okay, so this is also full protection. Okay, so this one is Maybelline New York Clean Express Total Clean Makeup Remover. So this is the one. So this is something around 70 ml bottle, and this is my second purchase, by the way. I have already used it, and I am in love with this product. I'm telling you, you just have to, you have to take a cotton or cotton pads, and you need a very minimal amount of this, and you just have to hold, you have to just press this cotton pad on your eyes and just swipe it, and it will be removed. Your kajal will be completely removed, your eyeliner will be completely removed. Even it goes same for the lipstick. You just have to hold and then swipe it, it will be removed. So I will give 10 out of 10 this product. It's really nice. I have seen so many products which are available in the market, like recently they have released one Garnier makeup cleanser, but that is not, like, that is not as a good product like this. This is the best product, I feel. So yes, I have got this second purchase. Along with this, I have purchased few more things. Let me show you guys. Oh, okay, so this one is a cotton pad. This cost me 285 rupees, and this is completely sealed. So I have finally opened this makeup sponge, and my Shiro is pretty much interested in that. So these are like small makeup pads like this. So you can just tap 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 your foundation, and it'll be like very helpful for you to mix your foundation. I don't know why he's so much interested in that. Are you interested in makeup, Shiro? I'm not sure. Anyways, so it's a Maybelline V Face Duo Powder. So I have never used this product. This is my first purchase. Medium dark, it is written over it. I don't know what does it mean. So let me show you. This is the packaging. I have unpacked this, and let me open this for you guys. Oh, this has also duo colors. So for different complexion, you can use the different one. Yes, I love it. It should have a variety. Oh, see, there is one brush is there inside of it. So just swipe a little, apply a little. So like this you can apply. So let's see what else I have purchased from Nykaa. Okay, so this is my last product. I have got again a straightener from Vega. As I have already mentioned, I am in love with their product. They are really good in quality, long lasting, and let me show you my new straightener. So this cost me around 700. The actual price is something around 1000. So you just have to, you know, straight. If you wanted to straight your hair for a temporary basis, you can use this one. So the quality is really good. You can lock it. There's lock button. There's an unlock button, and the wire is pretty much big. And my friend has one Vega straightener. I have used it like few months back, and I really loved that product. So after seeing that product only, I have purchased this. So I would like to say you should if you are planning to purchase a straightener, then please buy product from Vega. Okay, so there is a switch inside of it. You can see, how will I show you that? There's a mini switch inside of it. You can turn this on and turn this off from inside of it. So that's all. And so friends, that's all I have purchased from Nykaa, and I will definitely review the products which I'm using for the first time. And I have already reviewed about the product which I have already used. So I have repurchased few products like this. I will share my experience, how it is, how long it stays on my like how long it will stay on me, and everything I will share with you guys, so that it will be helpful for you guys to purchase when you have a function like this, marriage and wedding kind of thing. So I mean both the same, wedding and all, when you have. If you are a new user, then you can hit on the subscribe button so that you can get continuous update on my videos. And please share my video with your friends and family so that they can get to know about the app. If they are not aware about Nykaa application, so they can get to know about the application. And instead of buying this all products from the local shop or the market, they can purchase this from the app, so that they can enjoy all the discounts in that. And I hope this information will help them to get all the products in the same, in a cheaper price. So okay, so my baby is here, Shiro. So here he is, Shiro. So please ask them to subscribe my channel. Oh please, don't kiss me. No. Oh, don't kiss me. Ask them to subscribe my channel. Shiro, see. Oh Shiro, don't hug me now. Okay, I hope you enjoyed. Bye bye. Shiro, say bye. Bye.